How's it going? Low budget Pokemon here. Hope you guys are having a wonderful Saturday. So today we have 5 Evolving Skies and also 5 Fusion Strikes. These are from the Costco tins. These are the Galar Powers. Galar Power tins that look like this. It's just one of them. So I opened 5 of them, just went ahead and just took out the packs. Now, people have been saying that, maybe these packs are, reprints or the pull rates aren't as good. But I beg to differ. So I opened some packs today and actually pulled a Moonbreon. I actually pulled that from a Costco pack. I pulled the Rayquaza V and also the Espeon V. All these cards are actually from these Costco packs, these mini tins. I opened, let's see, how many boxes did I open? 4, so 12, 11 times 5, 55 packs. I've opened 55 Evolving Skies packs and was able to pull the Moonbreon in my 54th pack, I believe. So, basically 60 packs total. I purchased 12 of those boxes. I basically won, so I just felt that maybe I'll just go all out and open all of these just today. See what happens. So I think the pull rates are actually pretty good. And now I'll alternate between white code card. I alternate between the Galar Pals and also Galarian Articuno reverse hollow. I think I need that. Galar Pals and the Galar Pals. So Galar Pals, if you get that one online, it's $40, and you get one in each tin. You get 1 Evolving Skies booster pack and also 1 Brilliant Stars. Galar Powers, you get 1 Evolving Skies and 1 Fusion Strike. So let's see. These are open. So I was able to pull my Moonbreon from a Galar Pals pack. Let's do 4 to the back. See what we get. Looks like I got something back there. And Vaporeon VMAX. Okay, I'll take that. So let's go ahead and sleeve this up. I've been using the Perfect sleeves. These are actually from Voltex. Pretty nice. So we'll put that back there like everyone does. If it's gonna stay up there. We're low budget here. We're pretty relaxed. We're not nothing fancy here. No studio. Another one. No studio, no gimmicks. So glad you guys could join me today. So I'm also trying to collect all of Evolving Skies. Talonflame and a Duraludon V. This is like the 3rd Duraludon V I've pulled. Put that back there. Let's go with another Evolving Skies. Black one. Oops. Yep, like I said, at this point, I'm just going to try to finish the Evolving Skies Master Set. Got the chase card already, so might as well. So this is a good card here, right? Let's go. Sylveon V. Need that card. So I need a lot of these V cards. I've only opened, this is my 60th Evolving Skies booster pack I've ever opened. I've never really been a fan of Modern, simply because I just felt that if you want a card at this point, since a lot of the, most desirable cards are so hard to pull, you might as well just go ahead and shell out the $100 or so to buy the card. Never thought of ever buying the Moonbryon, since I'm not really a modern collector, more vintage. But I think at this point, maybe I'll try going for this. Basically playing with house money at this point. So. And a Altaria. Huh, that was a black code card too. Interesting. Okay, so that finishes up 60 packs of Evolving Skies. Like I said, the best pulls are definitely the Moonbryon, Rayquaza V Alt Art, Secret Alt Art, and also the Espeon V Alt Art. So let's go ahead and jump into Fusion Strike. So I haven't had much luck with Fusion Strike, to be honest. Let's see here. White code card. Just gonna fast roll this. Keep that open really easily. I see something. That's interesting. Wooloo. And a bam! Lucario V. Okay. We'll sleep that up. Let's fast roll this. Two more Fusion Strike packs. So I've opened, so I bought actually an equal amount. So 6 Galar Pals and 6 Galar Powers. So I have opened up, what is it? 6 times 5 times 6 times 5 is what? 30. So 30 Fusion Strike booster packs. Spongy Gloves. Sandslash, Geodude, Sizzlipede, Keflipede, Pensage, Wooloo, Totodile, and a Starmie Hollow. Okay. Finally, Fusion Strike. Last Fusion Strike pack. So this is the 30th Fusion Strike pack I've opened. And it's a white one. So, let's go ahead and take our time. Toxicroak and a good draw. So that's it. That's it. And you can see little piles. I've had piles of things. You can see that there's piles and piles of stuff. All those mini tins. So definitely been putting in a good day's worth of work. If you guys enjoy this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot to me. And I'll see you guys next time.